I'm Chris O'Keefe, Managing Director at Impact Strategic Funding. I live in Western New York with my family, where I have lived my entire life and have had all my work and business experience here. I work with clients to help them provide capital solutions for their businesses, and basically work with family-owned businesses or closely held businesses to help them through whatever challenges they may be having to find the banking relationship or lending resources that they need. We work with traditional banks, non-traditional lenders, private equity, government programs, as well as private money. And what we do is we spend some time with the business owner. We make sure that we understand what their true needs are, and then we go out into the marketplace and utilize our relationships and our experience so that we can bring the right solution to the business so that they can meet their goals and do what they want to do to get to the growth that they want.